Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My Lulila. If you are new here and you like the content of our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated for our new uploads. Today is another cooking episode and I'm re-uploading this video since I got copyright claims on the music background. In this video, we will be making microwave mug cake. So keep on watching. Here are the ingredients. 4 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon instant coffee, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon milk, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of baking soda. Let's start by pouring the oil inside the mug. Add in 1 egg. And then the vanilla extract. Pour the milk. And stir. Add in the brown sugar. Then the cocoa powder. And then the coffee. Then set this aside. In another container, combine the dry ingredients. The flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, and you may also add a pinch of salt. And stir. Combine the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And stir. Microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes. And here is our finished product, our microwave mug cake. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, My Lulila. Bye!